Hey folks, welcome back to High Plant Repertoire. Today I am going to make vegan cheese sauce. I'm going to use potatoes, onions, garlic, turmeric, nutritional yeast, paprika, black pepper, crushed red pepper, and vegetable broth. Add the ingredients to your blender. Oops, I should have cut the potatoes in half to give the blender an easier time. And voila! You can enjoy this with a number of things. This is a nut-free, dairy-free substitute for many things such as traditional nacho cheese sauce. You can even use this as a sauce for your casseroles or bakes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and join me on this journey as I try to build a healthier and kinder cooking repertoire.